How to crop a photo or a video on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you to do this, it is pretty simple in my opinion. All you have to do is go into Photos, and in Photos, select the kind of content that you want to edit. And let's say I select this photo right here. And I want to crop it up. All you have to do is click on Edit on the top right corner. And once you're here, you can see multiple options. Like for now, you can see the filters, and once you click on the square button, now you can see that the crop option is enabled, and you can crop it up into whatever dimensions that you want it to be in, like a square or a rectangle. You can do this by selecting the different ratios available, and once you've done that, all you have to do is click on done, and that's it. The photo is now cropped. You can even do this for videos as well, and yeah, it's pretty flawless in my opinion. I hope this video helps. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you very much. Bye bye.